So the insurance company says they need more pictures of the job from you. They need more documentation. They need more of this. They need more of that to prove that you're not a liar, by the way. If you back up and think about this, these are compliance needs that have been placed on them by their management. But what they're doing is they're doing Tom Sawyer, Huck Finn, delegating that to you so that you'll feel compliant to do that for them. If they need those things, tell them to show up and do it themselves, because you're not gaining any favor. You're not getting paid quicker. They're still going to try to cut your bill or cut your customer's bill or customer's coverage or whatever it is they do. What they're trying to do is subsidize their payroll and their overhead by using fewer adjusters to adjust claims by getting you to do the job for them. If there was a trade-off to do that, that might not be a bad plan, but there's not. You're still getting screwed. Stop doing it. Tell them if they want more pictures, come take them. You know you did the work. You might have pictures for your own internal reasons, but you don't necessarily have to turn them over to them. There's no rules, there's no laws, there's no anything, unless you're on a program, and you should get off the program.